AI is no longer just a buzzword or something that belongs to the distant future. It's here now, in 2025, shaping how people like you and me can earn a steady monthly or even daily income. It's powerful, accessible, and when used correctly, it can open doors to financial freedom. So, how do you actually leverage it to make real money? Let's dive into 5 real and effective methods professionals are using right now. First up, automated content creation with AI. Imagine making money without breaking a sweat, creating professional content in just minutes. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI allow you to generate engaging articles and blogs that you can sell on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. But it doesn't stop there. Creativity is also big business in 2025. Use image and design tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney to create stunning artworks and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Shutterstock. And here's one you might not have thought of. Use tools like Pictory AI to create short, high-quality videos. Post these on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, and watch the ad revenue roll in. People say content is king, and with AI, that kingdom is at your fingertips. Next, we've got e-commerce, supercharged by AI. Want to uncover the hottest selling products for dropshipping? Use AI tools like Sell the Trend or Ecom Hunt to find hidden gems and sell them on Shopify or even eBay. Pair that with Copy.ai to write amazing product descriptions that convert potential customers into actual buyers. And don't forget about AI tools like AdCreative.ai or Okoya, which make designing high-converting ads for Facebook and Instagram feel like child's play. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or you're a seasoned seller, AI can be a game changer. Now, let's talk about a method that's building long-term wealth. Smart investing and AI trading. AI-powered trading tools like 3 Commas and CryptoHopper automate cryptocurrency trades, helping you grow your portfolio even while you sleep. Want to dive into stocks? Use advanced tools like Trade Ideas or Tickeron for insights you'd never catch with the human eye. These platforms analyze trends, offering actionable signals so you can make smarter, quicker financial decisions. That's where AI-powered freelancing shines. Use DALL-E or Canva AI to create unique designs and logos, then sell them on platforms like Fiverr or 99 Designs. Don't have design skills? No problem. Text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs let you create professional voiceovers for videos and advertising content that you can sell at a premium. And here's a special one. Businesses pay big bucks for chatbots to improve customer service. So why not create AI-powered bots using platforms like MobileMonkey or Chatbot.com? No coding required. Finally, if tech isn't your thing, don't worry. You can make money with AI even without technical expertise. Use platforms like Teachable or Udemy AI to create and sell your own online courses. Or try SummarizBot to generate quick summaries of trending topics for blogs and websites. And for those diving into video content, combine ChatGPT with tools like InVideo AI to automatically generate YouTube video ideas, script them, and even create the visuals. AI enables you to work smarter, not harder. So, as you can see, the opportunities with AI are endless. But here's the secret. It's all about choosing the right tools and strategies that fit your goals. Which of these methods speaks to you? Have you already started making money with AI? Or do you feel inspired to give it a shot? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on staying ahead in today's tech-driven world. After all, in 2025, AI isn't just part of the future. It's the key to financial success today.